Hi YouTube, in this video I will be installing my hard drive and connecting the front USB ports to my case. Your case will come with a little adapter like this, usually labeled USB. It has 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 little pins on the front. If you look at the USB sign, the one on the left is actually missing. If you look on your board, usually it says USB 1, USB 2, USB 3. This board only supports USB 2, so it actually says a USB. And just simply get the connector and just gently press it down against the pins, and that's your front USBs connected. Alright, next we're going to install my hard drive. This is a 1 terabyte Hitachi hard drive. It's got Windows 7 already installed on it and extras. Hard drive, just slide it into the tray or the caddy or whatever you've got. It doesn't seem to want to go in there, so I'm going to put in the one underneath. Come on. Here we go. So the hard drive in, push it as far forward or as far back as you want. I'm going to keep mine about there. Get 2 screws for this side, so and your screwdriver, and just placing your screws and just tighten them. Okay, and your second one, oh god, I've made a classic beginner's mistake. I've dropped my screw into the bottom of my case, but we'll take that out later. Next, what you're going to do is get another SATA cable, connect it to your board as so, and then connect it to your drive like so. It just clips in, but first I'm going to connect the power because it's easier for me. Connect the power, data cable, and you're all done.